It's sunny. It's sunny in Van.
Step into the magic of Winterfest at the Museum of Surrey. Get ready to embrace the holiday season with Winterfest, a free community celebration packed with festive cheer, hands-on activities, and family-friendly fun. From November 23rd to December 21st, the Museum of Surrey invites you to explore, create, and connect with your community in the spirit of the season. Add a little adventure to your visit from November 23rd to December 21st. Enjoy fun and interactive holiday themed scavenger hunts throughout the museum, perfect for kids and families. Winterfest is a perfect opportunity to connect with friends and family, soak up the festive atmosphere, and make memories that will last a lifetime. Admission is free, so bring your loved ones and experience the joy of Winterfest this holiday season. Let the magic begin.
Welcome to sunny in Van, where the sun always shines. Join us on this journey